Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to hide Instagram from all followers. For that you need to go to your Instagram account and here you need to click on profile and tap on three horizontal lines. You will show you will see here, tap on three horizontal, go to settings and privacy, and here you need to click on uh, wait, I'll show you. uh, and here you need to tap on account type and tools, and here you need to click on add professional account and new professional account. Here we have, so did you have a professional account, and come back, and here you need to click on account privacy. No, you need to click on private account. If you click on private account means switch to private account means your Instagram following followers will not show for someone. So I was showing now. So for that I was checking from another account. Here I was clicking on search button, and here I was clicking typing the my user ID network up by opportunity, you will see here. And now you can see I cannot see followers and follow English. Like this you can hide them. Thank you.